On the cold night of April 14, 1912, the RMS Titanic sailed through the North Atlantic, unaware that history was about to change forever. At 11:40 p.m., the ship struck an iceberg, tearing open its hull below the waterline. In the final minutes, the truth became impossible to ignore. Water flooded in faster than the ship's design could handle, and distress signals echoed into the darkness. As lifeboats were launched, far too few for all on board, panic and disbelief spread across the decks. Musicians continued to play, offering a fragile sense of calm amid chaos. By 2:20 a.m., just over 2 hours after the collision, the Titanic's bow slipped beneath the icy water, lifting the stern high into the air before it, too, vanished into the ocean. In the freezing silence that followed, more than 1,500 lives were lost. The final moments of the Titanic were not just a tragedy of nature, but a powerful reminder of human overconfidence and the cost of ignoring warnings.